Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of That Sounds Holy.
Hello.
We have here in front of us pizza from an anonymous donor.
Thank you, Anonymous.
Thank you, John Mark.
Pinangalanan.
Salamat,
Or-
Kevin.
Thank you, Anna, for the
We
pizza.
really enjoyed it, Russell.
Ang dami na niyang identity.
Grabe ka, Jobelin. Salamat.
But we're really grateful. So sobrang grateful namin. Dapat during the episode namin siya kinakain. Pero kumain na kami. So,
Ubus ko na yun sa akin, guys.
yun. So nandun
seriously,
siya.
guys. Thank you. You guys
Yeah.
are so generous.
Yeah.
you.
Next
super.
recording, tumatanggap kami ng JTs. You know? Sisig and rice. De, ganun na.
Mendo ko ro.
Mento Koro! Next level may ramen dito, no? Tapos may jang nandyan, no? Hot pot, gano'n.
Wala na kaming gulay sa bahay. So pwede rin. Grocery set. Ganon.
May
But
coffee
yeah.
filter ba ba tayo? Lahat na.
No, but
Yung-
really,
yung
we
sourdough.
super appreciate all the things that you've been giving, all the food that you've been giving, and the coffee.
Yeah.
We're super, super grateful. So
super
kahit
generous,
ano pa
yeah.
yan, nag-iisip nga si Vanya kanina, ano daw yung next na ipapadala sa atin.
Grabe.
Alam niyo, kahit
Size
emotional
13.
support.
Size 13.
Sa mukha ko naman yung paa mo.
Sorry. Ando yung camera eh. Thank you.
No, but yeah, anything
Emotional
we are
support.
stuffed
Emotional.
toys,
Stuffed toy.
ganon.
Yeah.
Okay.
May episode, no? May kanya-kanya tayong hawak dito, no?
No,
Ano
but
masasabi
really,
mo?
we're not super, ano naman, hindi mo kami choosy, sila lang. Pero we're really grateful for this, again, like what Vanya will say. Huling-
Grabe.
we feel seen.
Yeah, we feel so
and
seen.
appreciated.
Akalain mo yun, nag-uusap lang tayo, may pagkain.
Wild.
Totoo. O,
Thank you,
diba?
guys.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Huli.
Okay.
Huli.
Okay.
Ganto pala pag may, akala ko pag may pagkain, magiging brain food na, tas mas matino yung usapan.
So, ibig sabihin, it's an us problem. Hindi siya nakabase sa gutom. Ayan.
Kompleto
So,
nga eh. Galing nga eh. Thank you.
Yeah.
yeah, thanks. So anyway, for today's episode.
Lahat tayo naka-black.
Oo,
Galing.
kasi
Kanina.
nga,
Nung
kailan?
isang episode.
sa
Sa isang episode.
Mali.
Ay!
Sa isang episode.
Today naka-black tayo. Sa isang episode, naka-white.
Oo, today naka-black tayo. Next week naka-white tayo.
Next week, naka-white tayo.
Next
know.
week, hot pink.
Huli.
But anyway, so today, dahil naka-black tayo, we're gonna be talking about our relationship with God.
Bakit?
Are we okay? Okay lang kami. Sarap ng pagkain, ah. Walang ano to, ah.
May sugar ba tong pizza? Ba't
Parang merong ano, ah.
Walang connection. But yeah.
Sorry guys, naubos kasi yung brain cells namin sa isang
sa episode natin next week? Nauna yung... Oh my
Uy,
God.
pinatuto tayo ng pagkain. Isin natin.
Okay, game.
Kailangan natin tumulong.
Sa alang-alang kay Joy Belin. Thank you.
Kay John
Okay, hanapin
John
ko na
Mark,
nga yung
thank you.
tanong kasi
John
pagbukas ko
Mark
ng
Joy
IG,
Belin.
lumabas si David Archuleta.
And do you ever think when you're all alone, all that we can be, where this thing can go? Am I crazy?
Okay, tama na baka
or
makapiright tayo. Anyway,
Ganun ba
so,
yun?
Malinaw
may
yung pitch ko.
nagtanong.
Oh.
Lyrics.
Okay na?
Okay
Okay na tayo. May nagtanong, can you give advice for someone who wants to seek deeper relationship with God? So,
Sorry.
after all
Grabe
the
yung topic.
laughing,
Yung first few minutes. That was yung topic natin. Okay.
pasensya na kayo. We're gonna try to reset.
Well, on that note, who said that like seeking a relationship with the Lord has to be very...
Let's go! Woo! Kasi
Okay.
nagtanggal ng damit na naging mga colorful yung mga t-shirt.
Ano ba yan? Yan din yung suot mo next week, ah.
Ito ang isuot ko. Yan din yung design natin next week. Oh. Okay, game.
So, dahil ngayon yung tanong
Okay.
na advice for someone who wants to
Okay.
who wants to deepen their relationship with God. So, ang una kong tanong for you guys is ano bang itsura ng faith nyo when you were starting? As baby Christians. Nakakatawa ba yung memory mo?
Hindi kasi yung transition nga, parang grabe. Anyway, baby Christians.
Oo, nung nagsa-start ka, how did your faith look like?
Mga 2 weeks ago. Ganun.
Well, it looked like, kasi, di ba, I'm cradle Catholic also. So, nung Catholicism for me started, parang tinuturo sa school, very formal setting, ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos, learned from what my parents
Right.
know about it. Pero, parang nung yung renewal ko sa feast, nung nag-start na talaga ako nung pumunta na para sa akin, it looked like, actually very heady, very intellectual. Head tone, nakaangat dito. Okay, so,
Grabe ka mo. Pinaabot mo hanggang next week. Yung loose leaf mo, sobrang loose na nun. So,
ang dami kakat dito.
di, wala. Okay, game.
Yeah, so, it looked like I was looking for evidence. I was piling up a case, parang ganun. Na
Oh,
parang,
wow.
Totoo ba to talaga? Parang siyang case study, ganyan. Na
Wow.
parang,
Parang
If they
forcing yourself to believe in,
parang, I wanted to believe.
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, every time, so I would read lots of books. I would be like, oh, if this is what they say it is, bakit?
Yeah.
Or like, bakit sa ganito? Hindi naman. Parang mga ganyan.
Yeah.
yeah.
So, very siya, na, mostly because I had an impression before, especially coming from college, na parang, you have to be like intellectual or smart or academic. At least from
Yeah.
my college, because it was mas formal, parang international studies. So, it was really like an intellectual game. Parang ganyan. So, a part of me wanted to give the faith thing a chance. Na parang, no, this is not just for people who are parang blindly
Right.
following.
Yeah.
Or like, yung parang ano lang, feelings lang, gano'n.
Yeah.
So, I was trying to convince myself na, no, this thing, it might really be real. Like, it might
Yeah.
really make sense na. So, that's why my approach at first was like, very, sige, patunayan mo, na totoo ka. Parang gano'n. Pero of course, before that, was like the, ano talaga, emotional, like,
Yeah.
oh God, I have nobody.
Yeah.
I need you. So parang I'm gonna therefore open my heart and life to this.
Right.
But nung nag-yes or like nag-decide na ako na I
For
have
yourself.
decided ganon. To follow the
Follow Jesus, no turning back.
no turning back.
Yung tides.
When I decided to really follow the Lord, na sariling decision ko na siya.
Yeah.
Yun talaga yung una kong ginawa. Parang gusto ko siyang patunayan na totoo siya even in the scientific, rational,
Yeah.
logical
Galing.
part. Yeah, ganun.
Pagod.
Ako, it's tricky kasi nga, as you both know, I was
Born
I
in
was
Yeah,
born
you're born
into
into
it. Siguro, since I've mentioned it multiple times already, yung the growth after that side. Pero yung growing up, I've always believed naman. Because, number one, grabe yung turo ng Ateneo sa ganyan. They were
That
really
is true.
super holistic. And yet super grounded. And talagang may ano agad, na merong direct application agad. Yun yung sa Ateneo. It was...
And there you have, like, I think Ateneo has a pretty solid spirituality talaga.
yeah, Ignatian spirituality. And it really grew on me. I really was, in a way, hindi brainwashed. You know,
Formed.
formed and
That took a turn.
and brought up. Not like, kasi even my parents, lagi kaming may prayer time at home. We would always have family gatherings where we'd pray first. And
Yeah.
we'd always we'd never miss the Sunday Mass.
Yeah.
But yung sa side nung sa feast, when it was that side of the faith, dun ako parang, if for you it was like piling evidences and I want to see how this unfolds.
Yeah.
For me, it was more of, oh, this is interesting. I believe in it. I in a way, our family namin, we really push for all these beliefs, for all these teachings. But for me, instead of like piling evidences, it was more of, I'm interested to see that when I need it, when I need to stand by it, how would it look like for me?
If you really
Yeah.
lived it out. parang-
Yeah, na parang when it's my time to say that I naniniwala talaga ako. Nandun, what will it look like? Will I be able to do it? Kasi nga bata pa lang ako. Wala naman ako pinagdadaanan masyado nun eh.
Yeah.
I didn't have anything to say na, oh no, I'm gonna stand firm. I'm gonna,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my trust in the Lord. Ganyan.
Yeah.
You don't say that when your problem is wala ka ng number 2 na Mongol. Di ba? Wala, hindi mo naman sasabihin yun eh. So ako, it was more of, ngayon pa lang, magbabangko na ako para pagdating dun sa panahon na kailanganin ko na talaga siyang
To decide on it.
to decide and to stand firm and to declare all these truths that I've been fed for years and years and years. Will I be able to do that? So naghalo siya ng excitement and fear. I was excited kasi nga I felt secured na every Sunday we'd all receive all this, and then every day almost we'd pray together. But when my trials would come, will I be able to live it out? Parang ganun. That's what it looked like for me. It was
Yeah.
anticipation but also fear.
Gets.
Oh.
I think mine is the opposite of Vanya's. Kasi I grew up cradle... Trentahin.
Okay, si Mark.
No, I grew up cradle Catholic then. So, growing up as a child, requirement na sama-sama kami magsimba every Sunday.
Okay.
As in, magagalit yung nanay ko kung hindi, ganun. Na kailangan magkakasama kami. And then I would see her read her Bible every night.
Really?
Yeah, then they would have household meetings sa Couples for Christ sa bahay. And then household meetings ng Youth for Christ ng mga kapatid ko sa bahay.
Oh.
Okay.
So parang I was immersed in the faith
yeah.
early on. And then
Galing.
Catholic school. So
Yeah.
Catholic school, yung tipong periodic exams namin. Love is patient, love is blank. Fill in the...
Kind.
As in...
1 point! Good
Ganun,
job.
as in 15 points ng fill in the blanks ng Bible verse na to, ganyan. As in,
Really?
very intellectual na,
Okay din, ganyan.
Ata. Pero kasi nakalimutan ko na. Yeah, I think so.
Ganon.
Kami din,
Yeah.
ganyan.
tapos every,
Saints lang naalala ko.
yan, tapos yung saints, parang we had a different saint to talk about every
Yeah.
every school year,
May
ganyan.
yung parang book report pero on saints.
Yeah.
Oo,
Ang tawag doon,
parang
ganyan.
may ganyan din. Tapos, dahil Paulinians kami,
Mm.
buong buhay ni Saint Paul, pa every
Yeah.
year, ibang aspect, ganyan.
Oh, that's
So-
nice.
So very, kumbaga the intellectual part, okay na.
Kami
Nabigay na sa amin ng school. And yun nga, na-witness ko na siya sa parents ko, sa ate ko, ganyan. So, nung old enough na ako to join Kids for Christ, nag-Kids for Christ ako. Tapos, nung old enough na ako to join the parish choir, nag-parish choir ako. Ganyan. So, parang very immersed na ako in the faith. Pero, lahat siya lived out, walang personal relationship. Gets pa?
Parang because it's what you know. It's what you do.
I know. I believe in it. But I had no intimate relationship with
Right.
God.
Parang wala pang personal conviction.
Wala ba? So, I think, contrary to what Ayo shared, nung maaga akong maraming pinagdaanan. So, when my mom was diagnosed, I think dun na challenge. Parang dun yung turning point na, okay, alam ko na lahat to about God.
Yeah.
So
Kailangan
what is
ko
it-
nang magdesisyon.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Yeah.
So, it was
Wow.
more out of need. na-
necessity.
Na I had to decide. I had to decide that I was following Him.
Yeah.
Because I was in need of His presence. So, doon na
Mature
napunta
mo
yung...
Ah.
I had to be.
I would have been like, no, bye. It's not happening.
Oo, parang ganun siya na nung time na nagkakasakit na si mommy, doon ako, sige nga, anong pwede kong salihan na retreat? Anong pwede kong puntahan
hope.
na?
You were looking for hope.
Oo,
yeah.
Ano
tsaka
yun, borderline
community.
desperation din yan.
Oo.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think, during that time din yung nag-ano ko kay Lord na, pagalingin mo si mommy, magmamadre ako. As in, ganun na. So parang really seeking for that relationship, for that parang I
First.
know all of these things about you already. You have to show up for me now. Parang
Yan.
ganun.
Mm.
So, yun. Retreats, nag-Youth for Christ ako, camps, ganyan. Tapos I remember, nung day na naghihingalo na si Mommy, nag-post ako sa Facebook ng Your Will Be Done. Yun lang. I think that was the moment that it solidified it for me. Na okay, may tiwala na ako sa'yo.
Wow.
Ayun.
How old were you?
16? 15?
Pinapopost
I
ko.
could not. Pinagpo-post ko nun, Mustafaus.
Pero,
yung emo boy and emo girl, pinost din ba yun? Yung
hindi ko lang.
Oy, hindi niyo pinost yun? Alam niyo ba yung sinasabi ko? Yung
May slash na ganun para may bangs.
tas na isang mata lang yung kita na guy. Alam mo ba yun? Tapos
Oo.
na ganun yung girl sa likod.
Oo, profile picture ko sa Friendster.
Ako din!
Meant to be nga po sila.
Tapos,
Same.
background
Ay,
music ko, Lucky ni Jason Mraz.
Ay, di, ako nun. Alam ko nun.
Ako, Kobe
Still
Calais.
late, baby, just turn. My hero heroine.
So anyway, that was mine. Okay.
Sorry.
So that was mine. But yun nga, dahil yung turning point ko nun was that big thing. Hindi rin siya nag-translate agad. Kasi 'di ba parang tayo, medyo late na rin tayo kami pala. Medyo late na rin
Late kami.
na nag-feast. Kumbaga yung decision na yun.
Ako yung pinaka-late. Oo.
Hindi pa tayo sabay.
Hanggang ngayon late.
well, lagi siyang late.
In general.
Working
Ako
on
din,
it.
I mean, ako din naman yung, di ba, yung when I shared it before, when
Yeah.
I decided, halos sabay-sabay tayo.
Yun yung question ko. Like, was there a specific moment na, okay, game na, ako na, for myself na to, ganun?
For me? Oh yeah, definitely.
Yun na. This is a podcast.
You wanna tell us about it?
Nagtanong ka na naman eh. I haven't really publicly said.
Okay. So, are you not comfortable with it? Okay lang naman.
Well, in college, there was a time when I needed God most. It was a very, very colorful college life,
Okay.
past life.
Hmm.
And, ayun, parang, when I found myself in a really, really deep hole, it was in the darkest moment. That was when I asked for help.
Mm.
That was when my prayers started to be personal. Hindi na siya yung mga kabisadong prayers lang natin.
Right.
Like, all my life, I would, parang bago ako matulog, it was always the St. Ignatius prayer. It was always
Really?
Yeah, it was
Wow.
all these prayers from the Memorare, all these, or chaplet pa or from time to time to sleep. And then, nung college, doon ako natutong,
Personal na.
hey, God,
Mm.
that's your son. Parang, dun ko siya fully na-grasp na,
Yeah.
oh, now it's real. Now, all the songs I've been singing since I was 13, since I was 12,
Yeah.
it's sa akin na to ah.
Oo.
Dun siya. Dun na rin ako natutong, dun na ako na nagbabargain kay Lord na, tulungan mo ako dito, bibigay sa buhay ko, promise. Tapos dun ko siya na-meet. And he didn't pull me up out of that hole. I felt him jump with me. He jumped down there. Because when I was there, no one was there. I didn't have Cience in a jet during that time. I didn't have friends. I didn't have you guys. It was really just me. And that was when I realized, at this point in my life, siya na lang talaga. So doon ako natutong magdasal, and that was the turning point. And then in that journey, that same year was when I got the call from Kuya Mike and Ate Vea. Yeah, that very Sunday of that week. That Sunday or 2 Sundays after, Ate Gigi gave me a call. Shout out Ate Gigi.
Yeah.
Gave me a call.
Ah,
Can you sing this Sunday? Yeah. And wait lang. Sorry. And then she said, Can you sing for Mass? Yeah, sure. Because there's this new song that I feel would fit you. What's the title of the song? It's called Sinking Deep. It's like, oh, sounds good. So when I listened to it, this is what I wanted.
Mm-mm.
After
It's
all everything that I've gone through,
Yeah.
all I wanted was to get to know more about Jesus, and this is what you're gonna ask me to sing. And I sang that, and the rest was history. That same a few months
Pati
later,
yung title.
Kuya Mike and Ate called me up. You know.
Yeah.
Not that I wasn't part of the community, because I was naman.
I mean, you were born into it.
Yeah.
Like,
Yun yung, but there was a
slowest
drastic
born ever. Slowest
drastic change there.
Born. Slowest born.
Yeah, there was a drastic
Uh,
may visualization pa. Nakakainis. But yeah, there was a drastic change there from
Bilang,
I'd be honest,
Yeah.
quote unquote living a double life, or like I was
Prior
really
to that, yeah.
making really, really bad decisions, and yet I would still go up on stage or help my dad out in other things
Yeah.
and serve here and there.
yeah.
But it started to feel like a chore, and because I was doing it because I thought to balance out everything else that I would do, but then
I still remember how you looked then. You were like,
Same.
your posture was more like,
Tago.
you were tall, but you were
Hiding.
Hidden.
hiding. Your head was always down.
Yeah, the beanie.
You had a beanie, and your shoulders were always
Slumped.
slumped.
Yeah.
And
wow.
look at
You
you
guys know.
now, still
Still
the
the
same.
same.
Without the beanie.
Ay, nako. I knew it.
Yeah,
But yeah.
How about you, Bam?
Parang napapansin ko nga kanina na yung sinabi ni Ayon na he was isolated, he didn't have friends. Ako, I had friends naman, but then when I decided to like really attend the feast consistently, mag-isa lang din ako nun.
Right.
When I tried to invite my brother or my other friends, it would seem weird for them.
Okay.
Kasi siguro hindi nila season pa or something. So it was also an isolating experience na parang kung kailangan ko talagang pumunta kasi nagdesisyon na ako. Parang ganon. So, yun din. Parang I was just going alone. Tapos, I think it solidified through the small things.
Yeah.
Na parang, di ba, we're encouraged to give tithes,
Yeah.
ganyan. Tapos, syempre, student pa lang ako noon. Tapos, nag-aantay pa ako ng graduation. Tapos, wala pa akong pera.
Yeah, yeah.
So, parang may times na sabihin ko kay Lord na, naku Lord, 20 na lang yung pera ko. Tapos, paano pa ako pupunta ng PICC? May orange jeep naman kasi. Yeah. Although, thinking about it na, I could have walked it. Anyway, whatever. So,
Di sana 28 yung binigay mo kay Lord.
so yun sabi ko, 20 na lang yung pera ko, Lord. Paano kaya ako babalik nito? Ganyan. Tapos parang, I just had, because that time, I was already very convinced. Kasi I'd heard the LO stories sa feast, yung
Yeah.
ganyan. Tapos ako parang, why don't I try it out? Na parang, sige nga Lord, I'm gonna bet on you. I'm gonna go. Tapos pumunta ako na parang 20 pesos lang ako. Tapos ubos na. Tapos parang, yun din, nung time na yun, nakita ko pa 20 pesos. May 20 pesos pa pala akong isa. Tapos magtatay. Tapos parang I just felt like the Lord was asking me to also give still my last 20 pesos for tithes. Tapos sabi ko, okay. Tapos sabi ko, tapos nag-aantay ako sa may jeep, pabalik ng Vito Cruz. Ako parang, paano kaya ako uuwi, no? Tapos nung sumakay na ako sa jeep, may nagbayad for me.
What?
Yeah, na-feaster din.
Wow.
Parang, nag-feast ka din ba? Sabi ko, opo. Sabi niya, bayaran na kita. So ako parang, so that's why you wanted me to
Galing.
go. So maraming defining decisions na ganyan na parang,
Yeah.
oh
That's
God,
why.
you're very real, aren't you?
Yeah.
So, mga ganyan na punta sa feast, tapos until such a time na nag-decide na ako na, sige, magsaserve na ako. And then I met like a whole community of people who had the same stories.
Yeah.
So ako parang, this is it. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, so I think that's for me.
Ano sabi mo?
That's,
Ano yung line before that? You're not going anywhere else.
I'm not going anywhere.
Clip.
Resibo.
Receipt.
Well, we have to qualify what that really means.
Please
Magtuos kayo ni Lord.
clip it, chat. Clip it,
I'm
chat.
not going anywhere away from the Lord.
No, sabi mo community eh.
Yep, I'm saving that Saving it on my phone sa GC namin tatlo. I'll send it to her every 3 months.
Yeah.
Anyway, so Isa.
Ako, I think I've mentioned this a few times before. I had a really bad experience in church. So, that caused me to not, I'm gonna try to shorten everything. So that caused me to not go to church for a year. As in no mass, no prayer time, no anything. And then, during that year, my friends in college parang sought me out na to invite me to Bible studies, to women's group. And then I started attending Victory. I started attending CCF. Hanggang sa nagsuserve na ako. Na parang campus CCF youth. Parang Elevate yung pangalan niya nun. Nagsuserve na ako nun. And then, may isang moment na parang thought lang siya na ang saya sana kung may ganitong community na Catholic, no? Parang gano'n na, okay sana yun. Kasi nung time na nagko-contemplate na ako na ito na dito ba ako tinatawag?
Oh my
Should
gosh.
I stay
Convert.
here? Oh, should I convert? Ganon. Pero may naging thought lang na sana may gantong Catholic. Tapos, nung time na yon naalala ko na,
Yay, Catholic.
may, bless you. Ang cute.
Okay.
Naalala ko na nung college, nung time na yon may friends ako in college na lagi silang nag-uusap about, parang lagi silang magkasama kahit hindi na nasa school. Tapos parang nag-uusap sila about it. Pero never nila ako in-invite. As in, I would just hear them talk about it.
Feast?
Si Zach.
Oh!
Naku, di pa nag-invite to season.
Hindi pa niya ako in-invite.
Huli.
Ano lang.
Clip it.
Hindi nila ako in-invite, pero naririnig ko sila nung friend namin na isa
Sino?
na.
Oo, yung friend niya nga. Oo.
Okay.
Tapos,
Okay.
Okay.
So, they would talk about it. And I would hear it.
Okay.
So, I got curious. Na parang ano ba yun? Ba't lagi sila magkasama? So, I searched for it. I searched for the feast. Yan. Tapos dati, may website na parang the feast near you. Ganyan.
yeah.
So, may listahan of locations ng feast. And then, sinearch ko yung Taguig kasi taga-Taguig.
Taga-san ka?
Taga-Taguig ako. So, sinearch ko yun. Tapos, yun nga, nung sinearch ko siya, Saturdays, 5 o'clock p.m. Sa fully booked
pa yun, no?
VGC.
Okay.
Sakto, nung time na yun, ang schedule ko pag Saturdays, may class ako that ends at 4.
Oh, perfect.
So, I was thinking, should I go next Saturday? Ganon. Tapos sakto yung message ni Kuya Raymond na yun nga, inviting me to the same gathering. And then, I remember, dahil nga may wounding ako sa church about serving, nung tinanong ako kung gusto ko mag-serve, ang first thought ko, ito na naman. Parang gano'n. Tapos nung sinabi ko na, paano po pag hindi ako free ng Saturday? Tapos yung sagot sa akin, okay lang kung kailan ka lang free. So, pwede pala yun. Pwede pala yung
That was your
ganun.
corrective experience.
Oo. So, I think from there,
Doon pa lang, no?
dun pa lang, I was so sure that I couldn't have found the community if it weren't for God. Like, he was the one who sought me out and
Wow.
brought me there.
Yeah.
And at the same time, he made sure na pag dinala niya ako doon, hindi ako mag-isa. Kasi pagdating ko doon, nandun si Kuya Mond, nandun si
Yeah.
Zach,
That's true.
nandun si Honey. So
He
parang,
really sets up everything.
Yeah.
Galing, no?
yeah. Ako pa nga pala yung host.
Oo nga.
Oo. So,
Ako din eh. I-edit na naman nun. Nakailang galing na ako.
so yun nga. So, given na yun yung starting point natin sa faith natin, ngayon, I don't think we're baby Christians anymore. Sana. Sana. So like,
Baby face lang.
Same.
so ngayon, what do you do? Ano ba?
Okay.
Ay nako. What do you do? What do you do to deepen your faith or like to draw closer to God? this one more practical in a sense. Ano yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin to make sure that we remain grounded and we remain close?
Okay, since nakatingin sa akin.
Non-verbal communication.
Okay. Well, practical, ano muna, kung yun din naman yung tanong, alam, you really have to have daily time with the Lord.
Yeah.
Ako, yung devotionals every day,
Yes.
reading His Word,
Yeah.
Scripture every day, and I see to it that okay, sorry. Basta yun, Word every single day, and I should have a time when I get to talk to Him
Yeah.
wherever.
Yeah.
Saan man abutin, dapat kausap ko siya. Hindi yung, I found this to work for me. It might be different for some. Iba kasi like they go to a certain place and that's where they get to have their time and to talk to God. Ako everywhere, or anywhere that I go, dapat meron lang a specific time dun sa kung nasaan ako. Like, even if I'm at the gym.
I think also because of your schedule.
That's very true.
Yeah.
That's one. Like, I pray before starting at the gym.
Meals.
Yeah.
Huh?
Before meals? Ano?
Ganun. Really just constantly finding God in all things. Naisingit ko yung nasingit ko
very
yung Ignatian
Ignatian.
spirituality na stinart ko kanina. No? But seriously, yun. Finding God in all things. Being grateful
Yeah.
in everything that I do. And, kasi my life verse is 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 18.
Yes.
So in all things, give thanks. So I just have
Yeah.
that constant mentality
Yeah.
of being grateful. And that means in whatever it is that I do, in everything that I get to do,
You have something
It's-
to be.
yeah, it's because it came from Him. So at least
Yeah.
that's my mentality. Na laging kung ano man nangyayari, galing sa Kanya to, galing sa Kanya. And
Right.
it helps me, it helps me grow in faith and also in humility. Kasi nga sa dami na rin ng naging accomplishments, blessings, breakthroughs,
Yeah.
it keeps me grounded.
That's true.
Knowing that this is because of His grace and His love and His provision. So, yun.
I just wanted to qualify yung sinabi mo na you spend time with the Word or like you read His Word every day. What does that look like for you? Do you follow a certain like itong book ng Bible, itong chapter or
Okay, yung daily devotionals ng feast.
Daily
solo readings?
Daily readings.
readings.
Oh, sorry,
Right.
daily
Gospel,
readings.
ganyan.
The gospel,
Yeah.
the readings. Dati, meron ako mga binabasa mga devotionals for men.
Yeah.
It helps. Pero wala kasi yung for the year. I haven't found one na it's for the whole year. Meron din mga 10 days, 30 days.
Yes.
Yeah.
Na
That's,
ganyan.
yes, that's
Baka
really
baka yung donuts natin mayroong
Actually, baka may alam ko yun.
suggestions
Please,
or
I
helpful.
would-
Devotionals for guys.
I would love to. Kasi naiingit ako sa mga, for women,
Actually,
ang dami.
sa women nga, ang daming
Oo.
Sobrang dami.
devotionals. But for guys, parang wala masyado.
But I remember, sorry, random realization. May time na tayo yung naghahanap ng for women.
Really?
Naalala mo? Or ako lang to? Baka hindi ikaw yung kausap ko nun. Meron time in, like when we were starting out, na parang, sana meron ding gathering for women. Sana meron ding devotional for women. Kasi
Talaga?
nung time na yon may radical, may
Yeah, I remember that.
Okay,
Oh,
kung
yeah.
sa community.
sa community.
Yeah.
So parang I think it's nice now that we have a multitude of like resources for women.
women,
Pero
yeah.
sana meron nga for men.
Yeah.
Mm.
Pero kung ganyan, madami nga sa community at least. Kaya ako nag-radical din ako.
Yeah.
Ganyan, all these programs. That's also one. Be involved in the programs that madami naman dyan. That
Yeah.
they're offering their, it helps a lot. And another, for me talaga, it's really, really helpful for me to, this is what works for me. To have friends who are also in the faith and talk to them talaga and see
Yeah.
how they also grow. And also have friends who aren't.
Priest friends.
Yeah.
And also being
Balance of
open
both.
to the outside world.
Yeah.
Na I get to talk to these people who eventually I want to bring, I want to
Yeah.
invite. But even if hindi yun, it's to bring Jesus to them.
Yeah.
Dun din naman napapractice yung, you're not high and mighty,
Yes.
you're not, There's this other world that we have to bring Jesus to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, that's what I do, grow in my faith.
How about you?
Well, now, no.
No.
Yeah, kahapon.
Now, kanina.
Okay.
I think that's a good parang standard ba? Or like a bare minimum to like have like 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Kung ano yung, basta the point is, the heart is to spend time
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
Lord. So for me, since mabilis akong maumay, so minsan it looks like scripture or the rosary, contemplating on the mysteries, ganyan.
Yeah.
Minsan, for now, what I've been doing is daily mass. At least I'm really parang, because I need systems as a person who is not very good with my attention. I need systems to like make me do things.
Yeah.
So ngayon, depende sa season, pero ngayon, daily mass, ganun. Tapos after
Nice.
adoration, kasi andyan lang naman sa harap ng bahay ko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So parang
You have
after
access.
mass, spend like 30 minutes or 15 minutes in silence, ganon.
Yeah.
Minsan I mix it up with like rosary or ganon. So whichever I think at the moment, ganyan. Basta the point is to talk to God.
Yeah.
Every day, no?
Every day.
Hindi pwedeng
Yeah.
wala, no? Parang,
Hindi ka,
Hindi.
mababaliw
Hindi.
ako.
ako din eh. Parang, di ba?
Parang siguro minimum as a strong independent woman, minimum 2 days napapansin ko na parang hindi ko to nasabi kay Lord, no. Kaya pala sumisikip na yung leeg ko,
Totoo.
parang
tension na.
natetense na ako
that's
kasi
true.
kinakarga ko na lahat, di ko nasasabi sa kanya. So, and also this is prayer na in both of the podcasts that I'm an avid fan of, kay Matt Frad, tas kay Abiding Together, may prayer si John Eldridge na parang kahit even if you have like 5 minutes to just pause and say, God, Jesus, I give everything and everyone to you. So iniisa-isa ko yung mga pangalan na, kunyari yung job ko, or like this event, or this worship thing.
Ganda.
ganyan.
Yeah.
5 minutes lang, I give everything and everyone to you.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Tapos after nyan, laking luwag.
Yeah.
Na parang,
Yeah.
hindi ko kaya lahat. Okay, sige,
Yeah.
game. Parang ganun.
Totoo.
Galing.
Yeah.
I think for me, what you guys said, plus we have access to the sacraments for a reason.
I was
Oh,
about
yeah,
to say.
So-
yeah.
Ako, I make sure, as busy as we are, that we get to bare minimum dahil kailangan yung
Mass.
Sunday Mass.
Yes.
But also, I try my best to confess once a month.
Yes.
At least once a month. Siguro, syempre, minsan kasi yung schedules natin, di ba, sobrang lala. 2 months,
Yeah, once every 2
once every 2 months.
Yeah.
ganyan.
Yeah.
But as long as I regularly go.
Yeah.
And then, adoration then. I like spending time in adoration. Parang yun na yung reset ko
Yeah.
na I get to spend quiet time with God na hindi naman ako yung dakdak ng dakdak. Alam mo yun na parang
Yeah.
receive also. And then, for me also, dahil intellection nga ako na I crave learning new
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, I make sure to learn something new about the faith. Every once in a while. Parang may mga fixation ako once in a while na parang
Hyperfixation.
oo, hindi ko alam ganun ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung normal siya or whatever.
Hindi.
Okay, sorry. I'm not normal. Pero may times na parang gusto kong matutunan yung buhay ni Saint Therese. Ganon. Tapos yun lang yung
Yun lang yung
focus
consume
ko.
mo na.
Oo, or
Yeah.
Gets. Yeah.
recently exorcism yung main
Yeah,
thing ko. So
yeah.
parang getting to know all of these assets of our or aspects of our faith. And yeah, grow my faith in that way.
Feed your faith.
Oo. Feast up. But also, ako din, I'm very big on retreats.
Oh, yeah.
Which is why.
What? That was smooth. That was
I know.
smooth. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Galing.
Yeah.
practice makes progress.
But retreats help a lot. Ah.
Yeah.
Even, I think, kahit yung hindi directed na retreat.
Yes.
Retreat.
Retreat.
What if? Inside joke, sorry. Okay. Retreat.
Sorry.
Pag
okay.
even yung pupunta ka lang sa parang retreat center or like sa amin din
yeah.
minsan kila
Oo.
sister, ganyan. Pero I think, retreats are really...
Yeah. Community and retreats.
Yeah.
Yun yung dalawang yan.
Oh, yeah. Which is why.
Which is why, since Holy Week is coming up, we
Yeah.
really want to encourage you to, number one, join a community.
Yes.
And number two, to join the Holy Week retreat. You want to
Mhm.
talk about it?
Yeah, I think
Give
it's very
details.
very good that we're doing this because every year, every after Holy Week retreat, palagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko na I should have invited more people.
Yeah.
I should have really
Yeah.
done my part in inviting more people because it's so
Yes.
healing.
Yeah.
is.
Super.
At the most practical level, it's healing, but like,
You get to dive also.
The most
Yeah.
practical and most personal.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sobrang personal na mga retreats.
I mean, I love Christmas and I
Yeah,
love
but
like the other church calendar
Yeah.
big things. But ito talaga yung Holy Week. As in, oh
Yeah.
gosh.
Laging may malaking personal revelation si Lord
Yeah,
sa akin
same.
pag Holy Week.
Feeling ko nga, yung Holy Week retreat or yung parang Lenten 40 days something, it's like, it's meant to like really set you up for the year.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's the one big retreat you take so that it
Yeah.
sets the rhythm of the rest of the year.
Ako
Right.
it's like ako kaya ako sinasabi, it's my favorite time of the year.
Mm.
Because it feels like it ends the previous year also.
Yun, oo.
You know what? Parang,
Parang nagkakaroon ng closure.
yeah, kasi parang
Yeah.
si January, February, it's so, parang bilis niya
Mabilis.
minsan.
January,
Up to,
Feb.
January. Tapos Feb.
Oo.
Tapos March. And in those 3 months, ang dahil nangyayari lagi. So
Totoo.
like, yun it sets the tone for the rest of the
Yeah.
year. But also
Yeah.
parang, it
Mm.
slows down
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
December to March, that whole stretch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since usually end of March or April yung Holy
Yeah.
Week. So.
Sorry, last na.
Oh.
Kasi feeling ko kanina pa ako nagsalita. Hindi pa naman.
Okay lang.
But anyway, so pag Holy Week, excited. Pag Holy Week retreat kasi,
Oh.
yung gustong-gusto ko din doon kasi parang basically it's a time to bleed. And it's a very good thing to bleed with community.
people, yeah.
With people around you who are ready to catch you,
Yeah.
pray for you, or like just talk to you.
Yeah.
You know,
That you're
just-
not going through it alone.
yeah, work through things if you're the kind of person who needs to talk to somebody.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Yeah.
So that's why I think it's a really healing experience
Yeah.
because it's yun for that.
Yeah. So we invite you to join the Holy Week retreat. And it's happening on April 2 to 4. April 2 to 4. And then Grand Easter Feast is happening on April 5.
Gosh, for the first time in years, we're
In
gonna be gathering again.
years.
Yeah.
Grand Easter feast together.
Yeah, so let me just pull up the thing.
Yeah. The theme for this year is the
Yeah.
unexpected.
Unexpected. yeah.
Unexpected. I am so excited.
I'm scared.
Same.
I'm excited
Hindi ko
and
alam-
scared.
Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ni Lord na
Tapos
unexpected.
kung
Anyway.
paano pa gawin yung mga retreats, at least dun sa Bay Area kung saan tayo,
Mm.
sobrang personal. Ang lala ng
It's
mga
so
activities.
personal.
Sobrang
Super.
galing.
Yeah.
So if you're already part of the feast or if you're already in the community, there are Holy Week retreats happening in different districts.
Yes.
So if you want to check out your district's Holy Week retreat, then please do so.
Go.
For the three of us, we're
Yeah.
going to Bay Area. Yes.
Yes.
So that's happening from April 2 to 4.
Mhm.
And you can check out the feast official on IG and on Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Yes.
For the details. And then Grand Easter Feast, like what Ayo mentioned, it's happening for the first time in years na
Oh
sama-sama
my-
tayong
I'm sorry.
lahat.
Magpa-friendversary na kami.
Wow!
Oh my
oo
gosh!
nga. Okay, so
Quick backstory. Doon lang kami nagkaan. Tiki, 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 tiki.
so nabuo yung friendship namin dahil nga sinalpak kami together. And the
pinilit
first
kami maging ano.
Pinilit. Umuha naman tayo.
Joke lang.
The
I
first
said yes to it. I
salpak.
consented.
the first salpak was Grand Easter Feast in Moa Arena in 2017.
Oh
I sang
my
in the audience. I
gosh.
was like, joke lang. Angel.
Oh my God.
Lumipad ka. Sa lubo.
Wow. Grabe. Almost, wait, it's our 9th year?
I don't know. I don't want to do math. Right?
2017.
17.
So,
18.
ipa-plus mo lang. Kung plus 10, 2027. Minus 1, 2026.
Hindi kasi ako magaling sa math.
Anyway, you guys can do the math. But anyway, yes, we are gonna be there from April 2 to 5.
All
So,
4 days.
all
Kaya pala
4
nag-joke si
days.
Kuya Pao, 4 days. Okay.
So, whether or not you're in the community, you are invited to take part in this. You
Yeah.
guys can check out all the details in the posters in the Feast Official, both for the Holy Week Retreat and for the Grand Easter Feast.
yeah.
So, nandun na lahat ng details. If you have more questions about it, you're interested, you're going for the first time, you're not in the feast yet, feel free to message us on That Sounds Holy as well.
Yes.
We'll try our best to accommodate your questions and reply agad. Yes, Castor.
For those who are attendees of the feast already, and for those who are sure that they're going, you're going. Yes, you're going. You can also. I think this is also the best time to invite friends
Yes.
who might be seeking a deeper
Yes.
relationship with the Lord.
Yes.
Family who
Yeah.
might be searching.
Yes.
This is very first timer
Yes.
friendly because this is the tradition of the Catholic Church, and we're of course it's gonna look a little bit different, but it's the same heart.
Yeah.
So yes, invite.
But also this doesn't replace the traditions that you have in your
Yeah.
own parishes.
Yes,
so do
please
that
do.
also, please.
Yeah.
What the others do is like they attend the sessions sa
Yes.
feast,
Tas sa
and
gabi,
then
yeah.
they go to their parishes also.
Yeah.
Kasi normally hapon or gabi
Yeah.
naman yung
So you don't have to choose.
Yes.
You can do both.
Yeah,
Do both,
Do
do
both.
both.
So again, to wrap this up, April 2 to 4, Holy Week Retreat, April 5, Grand Easter Feast. This is happening at the Mall of Asia Arena. And we're so excited. So we can't wait to see you guys there. Thank you for journeying with us this far, and thank you for the food. So
Thank
we
you.
hope that we get to not only see you in our next episodes, but also see you at the Holy Week Retreat and on Grand Easter.
See you
Feast.
guys.
God bless you.
God bless you.